I am very fond of this little radio, which is over a quarter century old, just because this is one of the two pieces of commercial radio equipment which I ever purchased. Spent a fortune in those days. I had to import it. It was not available locally. I had to go all the way to Ernakulam, get it cleared from the customs also. So this is my old handheld radio. I have lost the rubber ducky, as you can see, and also the battery pack. This is not a battery pack, it is a battery box, and it will not switch on also now. It has been in shelf for quite a long period, maybe over a decade. So I am trying to see whether there is any possibility of restoring it. This is the 6-volt DC input. You can open this. And you can push in a power jack there and have the DC input, external power supply. I had an external power supply also, which I can't see now. This is the mic input, speaker input, and then this is the BNC connector, on off switch with volume control, and this you can use for tuning. This is the PTT. You have a lamp switch also there. I am taking out the battery box. This is not the power supply but the battery box in which you can use dry cells. This can be opened up. So how you open up, you can put 4 dry cells inside it. And then close it. So the battery box is ready. Now you have to push it inside. So the system can be powered on. We'll see whether it will power on, but I don't think. No, it's not getting power on. So someone who's very well versed in these vintage radios will have to open it up